Okay. Answering the question, if it is a breach of Government of Jamaica procurement policy for a procuring entity to establish a contract with a supplier by way of purchase orders. So these are general procurement guidelines now. And ordinarily, procuring entities are expected to establish formal contractual relationships with suppliers by way of contract documents containing the terms and conditions set out in those contracts, incorporated into the standard bidding documents issued by way of Circular Number 24, April 2, 2019. Where those contract forms are inadequate, inappropriate, or otherwise unsuitable, procuring entities may substitute the forms entirely for industry forms such as FIDIC and JIC, or they may make such adjustments as are necessary to properly establish the parties' obligations. In every event, it is expected that a contract between the Government of Jamaica and a private supplier is to be made by way of a written contract document that is duly executed by all parties and placed on the procurement record. This ensures that in the event of a dispute regarding contractual obligations of the parties, the executed contract document may be admitted as evidence in any court proceedings, and this of course minimizes the Government of Jamaica's legal risk. Jumping to 5, it is understood that a procuring entity may determine from time to time that there are no or limited supply risks inherent to a particular contractual relationship and may therefore form contracts by way of purchase order. It is our view, however, that procuring entities are not invested with such extensive agency and without prior authorization may not take such a risk in these circumstances. Based on Regulation 53 of the Financial Management Regulations, where a service is undertaken by a department, the price and other terms and conditions of the service shall be clearly understood and agreed upon prior to implementation, and B, it should be in writing. Circular 36 provides the procedures to follow when preparing a purchase order, and included in the circular are the basic requirements when preparing a purchase order. That's it, yes.
All right, thank you, Ms. Blake.